All right, this is my 1992 Jaguar XJS, and my latest little project, which I am not a DIY guy per se, is to put in that new center console plate where this one is broken here. So I think it's gonna be easier said than done. I will try to capture this for you guys. This is my very first YouTube, never done it before. I already took out these two screws here. I've got to try to lift this out. I think there might be a screw under there that kind of holds in the plate a little bit. I'm lucky that this one piece just lives out, but the ashtrays don't budge. Have no idea how to take that apart in order to get the plate out. I don't know if I need to remove or loosen the stereo in order to slide the plate out. I really don't know what's going to happen next, but here we go. Okay, there is a screw under that plate that I took off, so I'll take that off next. All right, so this little first plate, I was able to take just a tiny little screwdriver. I don't have actual trim removal parts. All right, we'll see. Here, we'll see if I can see. How do you? All right, so I'm just should be able to just, I guess, pull those connectors off. And that will be step one. All right, so I was able to get a piece up under here. And so now, just like this other one here, just unplug the connector. So making progress. Okay, remove the cigarette lighter. Good thing I'm recording this just so I remember how everything goes back. Let's see. All right, I guess I'm just gonna pull out all those plugs until they're disconnected. Okay, they all popped out pretty easy. Well, it looks like there's some bolts that are holding down this plate on both sides. So that should be easy enough. The ashtrays are a real problem. I think somebody glued them in. So once I start ripping that out, there's a point of no return. And of course, this is my scariest thing. Okay, I removed that screw and this screw here. Put them right there. By the way, the seat over there looks bad because I'm in the process of re-dyeing it, and I'm gonna need a lot more coats. And the coat, hopefully it turns out like this one. Anyway, and this, hard to do with one hand. Okay. Now I don't know what to do. It's not budging. I'll come back to you when I figure it out. Okay, so I took out the bolt here and here, and these two screws came out, and this plate just lifts off. And so with those gone, I was able to pull this up, and it all's looking pretty good, and I think I can just, yep, guess what? I can just remove the plate. But I'm really not sure how to get this ashtray situation out. But once I get that done, I might be getting pretty close. Let you know. All right, so on these ashtrays, if you pull the tray out, there's a couple of screws in the bottom which go to the underside here, which once that bracket's loosened, then I should be able to spin the bracket and take out the ashtray. All right, so this little rubber thing, I thought it was on there stiffer, but it looks like I can just pull that off. So everything's coming apart pretty good. All right, there's the old piece and the new piece ready to go back in. Night and day difference. All right, I got it done. I got to fasten down the window switches a little bit loose, but all in all, I gotta say I'm pretty happy. In case you're wondering, I bought the center console on eBay, and this is the paperwork he sent with it, from Burl Finishes, artistically applied, and that's his phone number, email, but you can find him on eBay. And there's the different options of things you can get. Let's see. Even knobs, steering wheel. All right, let's try this again. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.